Nada más difícil. ¿Ah? Hola amigos, estamos aquí en un nuevo Cometeste. We're in a new episode of Tasting the Food. Hoy día, Chop Leaf, que es un lugar de ensalada, sopita. Es como una tienda bien como saludable. Pretty healthy store. Restaurant actually. And because it's too warm, it's too hot, hace mucho calor, so we ordered a salad. Let's hope you don't hear my neighbor screaming pretty loud like she did last night. Ojalá no escuchen a mi vecina gritando como lo hizo ayer en la noche, como que pareciera que estuviera con un caballo. Sounded like she was with a horse or something. Yeah, neighbor. Girl. Ah, that was good, huh? ¿Te gustó? ¿Te gustó? Pero no te metas ahí ya. So I ordered like a mix of things. Ordené como, o sea, pedí una mezcla de cosas para probar. Orange. I mean, ginger ale. Canada Dry. Igual está buena. Ya. Primero, está tratando de meter en la bolsa de la comida. Son más mensos. Bueno. Ya. Entonces la sopita. I think it's a mushrooms. Una sopa de champiñones. It's a mushroom chowder. Yeah, those are all mushrooms. Chopped mushrooms, I think. It's a little bit liquid, un poquito líquida, to be called chowder, but está muy líquida para llamar la crema, pero it's good. Está bueno. All types of mushrooms here. Todos los tipos de champiñones. I used to go to this restaurant during the winter with a friend to have a nice soup. Iba con un amigo en el invierno a este restaurante a tomarnos la sopa. Yeah, I ordered a small one, right? Me pedí una sopa chiquitita. Entonces, this is the thing we ordered. Baja quesadilla. Baja quesadillas are usually with chicken, but I changed the chicken for steak. Cambié el queso, el pollo por vacuno. So we're just gonna try one. This is salsa. This is ranch, I think. Salsa ranch. Y esto, this is the one I ordered, I think is chipotle ranch. Yeah. It's a little bit more garlicky, I guess. Wow! Holy shit. Okay. Yeah, it's gonna... Okay. Yeah. It's a little bit, I don't know how to explain it, but the chipotle, yeah. I don't know why it affects the throat. So let's try this. It doesn't look that good, to be honest. Yeah, it's a little bit like, yeah, I don't know. No se ve como que le pusieron mucho esfuerzo. It doesn't look like they put a lot of effort on it. Anyway, the master of the show is this. The salad, look at this. I chose the ingredients, right? Yo elegí los ingredientes de esta. Avocado. It comes with some tortilla chips. Viene con de estas como, no sé cómo se llaman. Chickpeas, garbanzo. A green mix, una mezcla de verdes. Onions, I think. Cebolla morada. And red and yellow peppers. Pimiento rojos y amarillos. It's a lot of avocado, huh? That's a full avocado, I think. Oh, and it also has grape tomatoes. También tiene tomate cherry. I think it has yeah, cherry tomatoes right there. So yeah, this is gonna be my lunch. The other things I'm gonna eat them later. Lo otro lo voy a comer después. It came with this vinegar sauce. Vino con esta salsa. de vinagre balsámico. It's pretty good, I already tasted. Ya la probé, así que tiene muy buen saboroski. A bunch of lettuce, this is just what I wanted. Bunch of avocado. A healthy option, right? That's it.